Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we are going to revise our third story, Dark River and Golden Eyed. It is from your book 1. I'll just give you the main idea and textual questions and some synonyms of this story. In this story, The Dark River and Golden Eyed, it is written by Ray Bradbury. It is a science fiction. In it, human beings are shown settling on Mars. A few people landed on Mars to avoid war on Earth. There, the climate changed them into the Martians. They did not come back, though initially they loved the Earth. The story tells us that war is a big evil. First of all, I'll give you some synonyms. Please note these synonyms from your textbook. Meadow, it is for field or grassland. Bulging, it is swelling, increasing. And wailed away, speeded, rushed. Flutter, its synonym is flap or beat. Tissues, its synonym is muscles. Flake away, break or peel, तोड़ देना, पाला पाला कर देना. मैरो, गूदा जो होता है हड्डियों के अंदर से. एसेंस और जिस्ट, सबमर्ज, गो अंडर वाटर, डाइव और सिंक. वॉल इज ब्रोकन डाउन, जो टूट फूट का शिकार हो चुका होता है. चिनअप, इज फॉर बी चेयरफुल और हैप्पी. हॉलर, चीखो पुकार करना. शाउट और क्राई. स्टिफ, सख्त जो होती. इनफ्लेक्सिबल, अनयील्डिंग और फॉर्म. अनबिडन इज फॉर बिन बुलाए. अनवेलकम, unasked for. Insane is for foolish or mad. Jam is for trouble, difficulty or misfortune. Stumble लड़खड़ाना जो होता है. lose one's balance और slip. Settlement, आबादी को कहते हैं. कॉलोनी, विलेज और आउटपोस्ट. Sob is for weep or cry. Strand is for isolate. Desert, cast away, मीन मुसीबत में फंसाना. ड्रेंच्ड, भीगा हुआ होना, गीला हो जाना. बास्ट, सॉफ्ट, मॉइस्ट. रेस, उगाना, पैदा करना. ग्रो और कल्टीवेट. डिसमे, अफसुर्दगी जो परेशानी. होपलेसनेस और डिस्पेयर. वाप आउट, बदशक्ल हो जाना. डिफॉर्म और डिसफिगर. शेडोई, सायादार. शेडी और शेडिड. कन्वर्स, गुफ्तगू करना. टॉक और डिस्कस. स्टेयर, घूरना. गेज और लुक. ब्लूप्रिंट्स, इट इज़ फॉर स्केचेस. ड्राफ्ट. फ्लेक्स मीन स्पॉट्स और मार्क्स, धब्बे पड़ जाने जो होते हैं. वंस इन अ वाइल, समटाइम्स. एट टाइम्स, इन कभी कभी. लेआउट, बिछाना, फैलाना. स्प्रेड आउट, सेट आउट. सस्पेंडेड, हैंग डाउन और बी सस्पेंडेड. रस्ट, जंग लग जाना जो. डिटीरियोरेट और डिके. वीव, इंटरलेस और इंटरवर्क और इंटरनेट बुनती थी जैसे। टेपेस्ट्रीज मोटे नक्शो नगार वाले कपड़े को कहा जाता है। थिक टेक्सटाइल फैब्रिक डेकोरेटेड विद कलरफुल पिक्चर्स और डिज़ाइंस ऑफन हंग ऑन अ वॉल। स्टार्टल, डिस्टर्ब, फ्राइटन, हैरान हो जाना, हक्का बक्का हो जाना। स्लेंडर इज़ फॉर स्लिम, थिन, दुबली पतली जो होती है। फ्लेम्सी, स्लाइट, फ्रेल, वीक, नाकस्सा जो कमज़ोर। अबेंडेंट, वेरान, वकेटेड, डिजर्टेड, अनऑक्युपाइड। नेटिव, लोकल और ओरिजिनल, मकामी जो होता है। फोगस्ट, मामूली, मुबहम सा। डिम, ऑब्सक्योर और अनक्लियर। प्लेग इज़ फॉर डिजीज़, एपिडेमिक, कोई वबा जिससे होती है। Okay, next I will tell you some short question answers. These are the textual that are given in your chapters, end of the chapter questions. Question number 1 is, why did Harry want to go back to Earth? Harry found the Martian climate dangerous. He felt that they would lose their identity, their past, and their intellect. The Martian days were very hot, but the nights were cold. The Martian virus was causing them trouble. Moreover, he loved the earth and its things, so he wanted to go back to the earth. Question number 2 is, why did he want to stay? There was no way of return to Earth as there was no rocket to go back, so he wanted to stay still till the arrival of a rocket from the Earth. Moreover, there was war on the Earth. He hoped to grow crops, bring up children, and live peacefully on the Mars. They were constrained to stay there, otherwise, it was not their favorite choice. Question number 3 is, what climate or circumstances did they face? They faced a very hard, uncongenial, and unfavorable climate. The summer wind was very hot, it was burning the lands and meadows dry. There was fog at night, it dissolved their intellect and the past. They were changed in appearance. Fear always lay with them as their third unbidden partner. Question number 4 is, what was the condition of the Bittering family on hearing the news of the war on earth? On hearing the news of war on earth, the Bittering family was worried and anxious. Mother held on to her husband and daughter. Laura began to weep. Sweat poured out from Bittering's hands and face. He was drenched in the hotness of his fear. Question number 5 is, what did they want to grow? They wanted to grow crops, vegetables, and fruits of the earth on the Mars. They wanted to raise onions, peach trees, and bring up their children because they had decided to live on the Mars. Their crops grew very old to terrify them. What was the question number 6 is, what was the condition of their house? Answer is, their house was a ruin of marble. The wind had burnt it, the fog at night disfigured all the boards out of shape. It looked no more an earthman's house. Still they had to live in it until they could move elsewhere. Question number 7 is, what was the advice Harry gave to the people? Answer is, Harry advised his people not to idle away, but to help him to build a rocket to go back to Earth. Martian climate was not suitable for them. He told them about their bodies and changing color of their eyes. He was eager to go back to the Earth, so he urged the people to help him build a rocket. Question number 8 is, how dangerous can a Martian virus be? A Martian virus can cause total decay. It can be dangerous and fatal and can take man's life. There is a smell in the air. It can be a Martian virus, a seed, or pollen. It can reduce their bodies. It can make them thin and slender. It may change their appearance. Question number 9. After how many years did the rescue team land on Mars, and why had the rescue team come so late to rescue their fellows? Answer is, the rescue team from Earth landed on Mars after 5 years. It was because of the war on Earth that they had come late. They had come to rescue their fellows who were already living on Mars. Question number 10 is, did the rescue team find their fellows in the Earth settlement? The rescue answer is, the rescue team could not find any of the Earth people there because they all had changed into the Martians. They had already left the Earth settlement and settled in the mountains. Next question is, what did the rocket men find in Earth settlement? Answer is, they found that the Earth people's cottages, peach trees, and the theaters were silent and empty. They found a flimsy rocket frame rusting in an empty shop. Next question is, what report did the lieutenant give? Answer is, the lieutenant said that the Earth town was empty. However, they found native life in the hills. He said that the Martian people were dark, yellow eyed, friendly, and small. Next question is, how many people did the lieutenant find and where were they living? The answer is, he found 6 to 800 people living in the marble dunes in the hills. They were tall and healthy. Their women were beautiful. Okay, students. Now I will give you some correct. We will solve the exercise of textbook. Question number 1. Look at question number 1. Choose the correct answers. The man felt his hair flutter and his tissues on his body draw tight as if he were. Options are sick, happy, feeling sad, standing at the center of a vacuum. The correct option is standing at the center of a vacuum. Number 2 is, at any moment the Martian air might dash. Options are bring relief. Number 2, draw his soul from him. Number 3, delight him. Number 4, become pleasant. Correct option is draw his soul from him. Question number 3 is, what did they see on the Martian hills? The correct options are the old cities. Number 2, the flower beds. Number 3, a stream of fresh water. Number 4, a deep valley. Correct answer is the old cities. What did they do after building a cottage? Options are number 1, decorated it. Number 2, furnished it. Number 3, ate good breakfast. And number 4 is arranged a feast. Correct option is ate good breakfast. Next question is, what was the news Laura told her parents? Options are number 1, the war on earth. Number 2, the death of the people. Number 3, the arrival of a rocket. Number 4, the fall of a rocket. Correct option is the war on earth. Number 6, which city was attacked? Options are Texas, Virginia, New York, and New Jersey. Correct option is New York. What did they feel on Mars after the attack on Earth? Options are drenched, stranded, scalded, and surrounded. Correct option is stranded. खौफजदा महसूस करना. What were the men doing in town on the shadowy step of the grocery store? Options are number 1 quarreling, number 2 conversing with great leisure and ease, number 3 playing, number 4 buying the grocery. Correct option is conversing with great leisure and ease. How many dollars did he demand to sell the metal? Number 1 option is 200, number 2 300, number 4 400, and number 5 is 500. Correct option is he demanded $500. In which season did Mr. Bittring stand very golden-eyed? Now, first option is winter, number 2 is summer, number 3 is autumn, number 4 is spring. Correct option is autumn. Thanks, students. You have to translate this chapter, learn the translation and question answers and synonyms of this chapter for your exams. Thank you so much.